In this video, I'm going to show you 5 different ways that you can start affiliate marketing without showing your face. Each one of these methods can bring you leads and sales if you do it the right way. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn which method is right for you. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbold with alstongodbold.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. Alright, so as I mentioned, I want to show you different ways that you can start affiliate marketing with examples without showing your face. Each one of these methods can bring you leads, sales on autopilot, as long as you're consistent and persistent with your efforts. So let's go ahead and take a look at number 1. This first one here is with YouTube. Now, with this video, it's a Name Hero review. Does this little hosting company have what it takes? And if we mute this video here, this person never shows his face. And as you can see, this is a tiny channel. It only has 15 subscribers. It has over 1,000 views on just this one video alone. And if we look in this video, this person has affiliate links right in the description of the videos. And so when people click on this link and buy the product, it actually takes them right over to Name Hero, which is a web hosting company. As you can see, this person never shows his face. It takes them right over to the web hosting company. The people buy web hosting and this person makes a commission. I know that this person is making commissions from this video, but this is just one way. As long as you have B-roll, and you can find B-roll from a website like Pexels, you can actually use screen recording software as this person has done. They have text overlay. There's just a number of things that you can do where you don't have to ever show your face. As you can see, this person has given some rewind reviews, but this is just one way, and you can do this in any niche. Web hosting is usually a good avenue to start because they pay high commissions and it's something that just about everybody needs. But web hosting or YouTube is just one way. The next way is with Facebook and Facebook groups. Now, what you could do is create a Facebook group in a niche. Any niche can work. You can use web hosting or woodworking or showing people how to make websites. You simply make a Facebook group showing people how to do stuff, providing value, solving problems, answering questions, and you can start growing and making passive income. So what we can do here is we'll type in woodworking because that's a popular affiliate marketing program. We can go down to groups here. And when we click on groups, you can see the top result, 456,000 members. The one below it, 96,000 members, but it can be in anything. Let's type in basket weaving. Type in basket weaving, we'll hit enter. We go down to groups yet again. And if we take a look at this, basket of stuffs, basketball, there is, let's see, Weavers of the World, 2.2 thousand members. Welcome to Weaving, Modern Weaving Community Group, 15,000 members. There is a group for everyone. Again, finding the affiliate program that's going to resonate with your audience is going to be the difficult part, but finding traffic, finding people that are interested in the product is going to be the easy part. If we look down here, basket weaving, 1.8 thousand people like this group or this business page. If we go down to groups here and we click on groups, 830 members, 247, 13,000 Facebook basket weavers, basketry, gourd weaving, and more. Basketball, basket weaving with Hannah Van Ilst, 5,000, 16,000. Again, you don't have to show your face. You just go out, find different tips and tricks. If we type in basket weaving tips, hit enter, and you're going to see there are tons of websites out there that have already created this information. Now, it's important to not just steal the information. If you are going to take the information from these websites, credit where credit's due. Add a link in so it gives them a backlink, and tell your customers or your Facebook group members to check out the link. But what you can do is you can click on this website, for example, and you can put it into your own words. You can add additional context. But if you're just going to take these 7 tips, make sure that you are citing the source. Give this person the credit that they deserve because they went out and they worked hard and they put this together. But Facebook group can be a good way. And again, you don't have to show your face. You could create a brand new separate Facebook profile, or you could change your profile so that it's not on your face. For example, you could change this so that it's not your face, but Facebook groups can be a very good opportunity. After Facebook, you can create a Pinterest account, as you can see that I've done. And with this Pinterest account, I am getting 809,000 monthly views. But the key is with video pins, and you can create video pins over on Canva. And I really like Canva because it has so many free resources that we can use. What we can do is we can do a video here, and then we can do a mobile video. Another option is to do a Pinterest pin. So we can do Pinterest just like this. They have the correct dimensions, but let's see if we go back. We're going to do no thanks. And what we can do is we can just add different things here. We're just going to drag and drop this for an example. And if we click play, you can see that this is the pin. We could just add some text overlay. We can add multiple scenes to it, and away you go. It's really, really easy, and you can do this really fast. If you look at my Pinterest profile here, we can scroll down. That's exactly what's being done on a number of these. Now, in the very beginning, I uploaded 5 video pins per day. Since then, I've been adding pins for my blog posts that I've been starting. But if we look at this, this is all done with Canva. It's really simple, really easy, and you can do 5 of these per day. If we scroll down, you can see a number of these. I'm not showing my face, getting lots of traffic, getting lots of leads, and leads turn into sales, and sales, obviously commissions, make money. But after Pinterest, we have Quora, and I really like Quora because people are coming to the internet and they're asking very basic questions, or people are coming to Quora and they're asking very basic questions, and you can answer those questions. If you answer enough of these questions, people are going to tag you in questions that they ask because they see you as a subject matter expert. For example, if we look at this, these are questions that people are asking me directly. How do I increase my buyers and viewers on social media? I can click on this and I can answer this question very simply. If I go back over to Quora and I type a niche or an idea, maybe I'm interested in woodworking. We'll do woodworking, and we're going to click search. And now the cool thing with Quora is I never have to show my face. I could have a default avatar here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to questions, and under questions, how do I become a woodworker? That's easy enough. But what we should do is we should sort it within the past week. And within the past week, how can we start woodworking as a hobby? That is a made for affiliate question. And if you don't know the answer, again, we're going to copy this and we are going to paste it in. Now, again, do not just copy search results and paste them back into Quora. Don't steal other people's work. What you can do is you can read and summarize what you found. If we go back over to Quora, we can say, we're going to click on answer, and we're going to say, here are the steps to become a woodworker, or here are the steps to start woodworking, and list out the steps. Now, it's important that when you're answering questions on Quora, you cannot add your affiliate links, but you can send people to a blog post, so you should start a blog. You can send people to a YouTube channel. You can send people to Pinterest. You just cannot add your affiliate links. If you do that, you will get banned. But as you can see, it's easy enough, and there aren't a lot of competitors in this space. How can we sharpen a woodworking pencil? What are percussion tools when used in woodworking? You can answer all of these questions and start to become a subject matter expert. As you continue to answer questions, and I recommend that you answer about 4 or 5 per day, people are going to start recommending your questions. They're going to upvote them. They're going to share them. They're going to share them with their friends and family, and you can start getting traffic, and you never have to show your face. Another place that I really like is obviously TikTok. The cool thing with TikTok is you can create content and never show your face. Now, what I want to show you are these videos, these 9 videos that are right in the middle. These 9 videos range between 747 views and 536,000 views. The one thing that all of these views have in common is I don't show my face. This one, I actually am pointing my phone at the screen. I think I'm doing the same thing with this one as well. All of these, I'm pointing my phone at the screen, with the exception of this one. I'm in a grocery store, but as you can see, I never show my face. If we watch this video, I think it's like a 60-second video, I never show my face. I am walking someone step by step how to make money, printable table numbers. This video has 42,000 likes, 194 comments, and it's been shared a bunch of times. I can't see how many times it's been shared, but as you can see in this video, I never show my face. And the key to TikTok is simply uploading 3 to 5 videos per day and to be consistent. If you aren't consistent, your results are going to be inconsistent and you're going to be frustrated. You have to post consistently at least 3 videos per day before you can start getting frustrated with your results. But if we click down here, I think this one's done over on Canva. If we scroll down again, okay, I'm actually showing my face in this one. This one's actually a re-upload. But as you can see, with these videos here, and for a long time, I created videos and never showed my face over on TikTok. If you look at these, 1,000 view, 427, most of these, if we scroll back far enough, this one I'm actually pointing my phone at a whiteboard. I'm never showing my face or rarely showing my face and getting people to like, comment, and subscribe. So just to recap, we have YouTube, which is a great opportunity. As you can see, this video never shows their face. This one, you can actually start Facebook groups and never show your face. Pinterest is another good opportunity. Quora, and then of course TikTok. Now that you know 5 different ways to start affiliate marketing without showing your face, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.